My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the website Creditreel.site. Some people may suddenly see these scary pop-ups claiming that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. All these pop-ups, however, are totally faulty and deceptive. The real mission of these pop-ups is not to help you, but rather to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. At the first glance, it might look as if these pop-ups are related to some decent program, but this is not true. They may use the name of and the logo of some reputable security applications. But in reality, when you start interacting with these pop-ups, when you click on this Stay Protected button, you instead will be redirected to some other questionable websites that may promote a totally different software. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you to be very careful and not to trust these pop-ups by Creditreel.site. Once again, it's a deception, and all these pop-ups are totally faulty, and most likely they are related to some adware that is enabled in your computer. If you click on Stay Protected button by mistake, as I said, you will be redirected to some other malicious site. There is a solution for you to fix your browser and get rid of these strange pop-ups and numerous ads. First thing, of course, you could do is to check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you find something you don't remember installing based on your own decision, get rid of it. Secondly, I recommend you to carefully check the list of the websites that are allowed to send notifications through your browser. It might happen that you could see these sudden ads in the right part of the screen, and very often these ads may point you to a lot of other shady pages in the internet. To remove these multiple ads, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions area and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find any junk sites here on the list, make sure you get rid of them completely from this list. This should help you fix the issue manually. And there is a program that I recommend you to use. It will help you to automatically fix your computer and browser related issues. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your system in order to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.